of the Visible Banking team. Since 2007, we've championed and curated social media and digital innovation in financial services. Did you know that our team are now tracking well over 3,000 social media assets in over 80 plus countries? In this video series, we will review a wide range of iOS apps from banks, insurance and financial services, firms with a key focus on customer expectation and brand consideration. So, in today's case, we are taking a look at an app called Money, and in recent years, most financial institutions have aimed to improve their customers' spending and saving behaviors, while most banks have rolled out a range of, more intuitive online tools and services to help their customers to visualize their spending and compare themselves with that of their peers. With transparency and social interactions, gamification is arguably one of the bank's best shots at achieving their goal and successfully turning their customers into better savers. So again, in this review, the personal finance management and goal-based savings app with a twist, Money for the iPhone, and its clear focus is on that of gamifications. So it takes challenges that help to build your money brain, essentially. It helps you look at collections and achievements for good personal finance habits. So you can see the app here. It is a free application. There's an in-app purchase you can get for, I believe, about $2 to get the premium version here. You can get the main menu here on the left. I really like the minimal UI, the minimal design of it. It's really clear-cut, and it's not too obtrusive. It's not too confusing. It's really minimal, and I do appreciate that. So you can see your reports here on the left here. You can view your reports of your balance here, your banking. This is the premium. You need to have premium for some of this. So, for example, to look at trends and charts, which they offer for $3, there you can see the premium version. The charts are really nice. You can see here from the previews. It's a really nice graphic UI, but again, you need to get the premium version for that. And your profile down below. Along with settings here, you can change your account book if you're working in USD. You have multiple account books there. You can have different categories for your lists here, all that good stuff. They even have data management that you can export and import your data, so that's always a nice feature, especially with something like your finances. So here's the main thing here. You can see you have challenge type and challenge progress. So for example, you have a goal to start simple and make entries for 7 days. So it kind of adds that, again, that gamification. It keeps you wanting to do more and more things because you have goals to achieve. You can see your total expenses this month. To start, you just want to tap in here to add your expense. And you can see, again, I really, really like the UI, the layout for the application that they went with here. So let's say I spent $25 today. I'll hit next. Let's say I spent that on clothing. So you can easily just pick a category. You can swipe to the left or right here to see the categories, or you can just click in to add your own here. Now, I can say the date. I can add a description. So let's say I bought, 2 t-shirts from the store. Just any note you want to add just to kind of remind yourself maybe. And you can see here it adds up and shows in your expense, and then you get your total expense for the month. And you can keep on adding things. Let's say you have to pay a utility bill. Like I recently had to pay a utility bill, so let's say that was yesterday. I'll say 25 or the 25th. And I can put a description. I'll say water and electricity, for example. Again, you can just put everything you have to put in here for your budget accordingly, and you're going to want to put, obviously, the actual price. So let's say I paid like $145 for the month's utility bills. And there you go, and it just starts automatically keeping track of that. You can see here, you minimize the view right there. That's what I really like about this. You can see your total expense for the month. And obviously, it's gonna graph that in your reports. With the premium version, you'll be able to see that. If you go into your report here, you can see the dates when you spent certain money here, so your balance. You can see if you got any income, you can put income in as well. You can see it by category, so you can narrow down the view, which is a really nice feature. And of course, you can see the overall amount here. So if you have any income throughout there, you can go ahead and of course add income here. So if you made money, let's say you got your paycheck, of course. Let's say you got $500 in your paycheck. You can hit next, save it, and of course that will count towards your income overall. So that would show up in your reports as well. So if you have any income, it shows your balance overall and how much your income and your expenses. It keeps it simple, and it's just a really nice financing application, because it doesn't, it's nothing too dull and boring. It keeps you busy. It keeps a really nice visual interface. It has these awesome challenges and progression to keep you wanting to do more and track more and log more, and that develops your financial habits. So insightful, valuable. What would I rate this app? Overall, I'm going to rate this app an 8. I'm a huge fan of the design. It's simple, it's straightforward, and the gamification of it makes it a valuable application overall, because at the end of the day, it's a financial app. It's helping you save, it's helping you develop good habits, and it's free. There's a premium version, which I'm sure, in my opinion, the premium version is even a higher rating. You get the graphs, you get the trends, stuff like that. I would definitely recommend this to friends. It's definitely worth checking out. So what do you guys think about the app? Do you think banks should definitely launch more fun budget apps like this one? Do you believe in the whole gaming elements of the Money app? And would it help you save more money and achieve your financial dreams, all that good stuff? As usual, your suggestions for our future app reviews are always welcome. And if you enjoyed this video, we invite you to like it, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more, and of course, visit visiblebanking.com to learn how to excel in digital engagement and achieve social media ROI. Thanks for watching.